Hello everybody and welcome back to RandomTech. Today's video wasn't supposed to be uploaded till like next week, but actually this week's video is supposed to be on the new T-Force Delta RGB SSD, but there's something wrong with either the LEDs in this thing or the digital controller I bought to control the LEDs in this, because I don't have a motherboard that syncs up with this. So yeah, I'm going through the process of replacing the controller. Hopefully that's the issue, but this should be out in next week's video. Okay, let's get started with this week's video. If you saw last week's video, it is a video about a PC upgrade, and I actually did that a while ago. If you watch it, the quality and everything is different because I recorded it last year, I believe. And this year it's finally summer again, so I could start modding again and doing paint work and different things like that. And that is exactly what he had me do to his PC. I completely modded it. It was really fun. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the video.
I still miss you, baby, after all this time. But if I wait here, will you be there times two? I still miss you, baby, after all this time. But if I wait here, will you be there times two? I still miss you, 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 I still miss you.
say you crazy, we're nothing more than friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. Yeah, don't mess it up, talking that shit. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that made me crazy. Here we go again. Don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can't be reasoned with, don't be impolite. I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. F-R-I-N-D-S. Have you got no shame? You looking insane, turning up at my door. It's 2 in the morning, the rain is pouring. Haven't we been here before? Don't mess it up, talking that shit. Only gonna push me away, that's it. Have you got no shame? You looking insane. Here we go again. So don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can't be reasoned with, don't be impolite. I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. F-R-I-N-D-S.
It's strange, but I don't need space from you. In every single thing you do, I like. I've been chased. Maybe I just knew I had to wait for you. Draw a knife and carve a little space for you. It feels nice. It's strange. Maybe I just. Maybe I just knew I had to wait for you. It feels nice. Maybe I just. Maybe I just knew I had to wait for you. It's strange, but maybe I
Okay, so that was the final product. I hope you guys like it. I kind of experimented with this one. I thought splatter painting a PC would be pretty fun, and it was actually really fun and a super easy mod to do. So if you want a tutorial for like a splatter paint mod and how I do my mods, just leave a comment below. If you guys would like to see that, I'll definitely make a video on how to do the splatter mod and different types of mods I do. So yeah, this summer I'm going to be trying to do as many mods as I can. So look forward to more of those. And let me know in the comments how this build turned out and how you like the overall color scheme and everything. I think everything turned out really good. Well, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for all the support you've been showing me. YouTube sends like monthly reports after every month on how you did compared like to last month and stuff. I save all of those. And we broke over 10,000 minutes watched this month. We have like 12,400. So that's incredible. My channel's growing all thanks to you guys. You guys have been showing me so many awesome comments, so much love, and I just appreciate you guys so much for that. So thank you again for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave a like on the video if you like this build, and I'll see you next week.